Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The separation between father and son, and their reunion. Patakin. There was an Awo who was Òsáìnistà, herbalist priest of Sign, who lived with his son. But due to differences in character, the son had serious disagreements with his father and rebelliously separated from him. The father, in turn, also withdrew to other lands. As time passed, the son, now grown into a man, became a great Òsáìnistà. His knowledge of Sign was so vast that, eventually, in the town where he lived, he had eliminated all the Mayomberos of their powers. Then he dedicated himself to confronting various Mayomberos and Òsáìnistas from other regions, achieving resounding victories in all his battles. One day, news reached his town that in a distant village, there was an Òsáìnistà more powerful than him. And being used to always winning, he could not accept the idea that there might be someone more powerful than him, someone who had never lost a single battle. So he set out on a journey toward that region, having to cross rivers and rugged terrain. After many days of travel along harsh paths, he arrived in the area where that so-called Òsáìnistà resided. After asking around, he found out that the man lived at the top of the highest hill in the region. He made his way there, although by then the young man had fallen ill due to the harshness of the weather. When he reached the base of the hill, it began to rain, and strong gusts of wind and loud thunder rolled in. With such harsh weather and weakened by illness, he was forced to abandon his intent to challenge that Òsáìnistà. Because of the rugged terrain and the remoteness of the nearest village, he decided to head to the Òsáìnista's house. When he arrived and knocked on the door, he heard a voice from inside saying, "Enter, my son." The voice wasn't entirely unfamiliar to him, and when he stepped into the house, he was stunned to discover that the powerful Òsáìnistà he had come to confront was none other than his own father.